Hey traders, we're going to have a look at the long and the short of it when it comes to silver and gold. Let's go straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video. Trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets, and trading is the most hardest thing you will ever do, and it takes a long time to become a good trader. So this video is just educational only. If you're struggling with your trading right now, then click on the very first link in the description and get learn a free training, the 7 universal laws to become a master trader that will boost your success, consistency, and confidence without spending a decade trying to figure it out. Click on the very first link in the description right now. All right, traders, so let's get straight into it right now. I want to talk about the long and short of it of silver and gold right now. And I was doing some of this with my private clients today. And by the way, guys, some of you are asking about my trading systems and philosophies about trading and stuff like that. I'm running a free training that's going to help you with understanding how successful traders approach the market, what to focus on, my trading system in detail, all that sort of stuff. I'm going to give it all to you for free. So very first link in the description, click on that, and you're going to get it all for free today on the free training. And I'll walk you through the 7 steps and all that sort of stuff, 7 universal laws. Anyway. One thing I want to share with you is the long and short of it on silver and gold. People are worried about what does the silver breakout mean and all that sort of stuff. All right, so we can see we had silver had a nice breakout. I think the silver breakout is just in line with the bigger picture, by the way. And same with gold. Gold had a little bit of a pullback today, but I still think overall, when you're looking at gold here, gold is getting ready for a nice break up and a nice move to the high side like silver is. But when we're looking at these markets, this is the long and short of it. The short of it is obviously the short-term time frame we're looking at here. But if we go back to the long of it, the long-term view of looking at silver and gold, then we can really see a lot of different things here. So if I bring up, say, a monthly chart, take off the trend lines, and then we're going to go look at the monthly chart here. So the long and short of it right now, actually, let me bring up, say, the GLD price here. All right, so the GLD price. So the long and short of it when it comes down to this is simply that what's going on right now, actually you can see here right now on this big monthly chart, we've been making a big massive bottom through here since 2013. You can see this resistance where we are right now. So we're getting ready, I believe, for a serious move up. Now we're looking at a monthly chart here, by the way. Okay, before we looked at the daily chart, now monthly chart. And this also could be, if you're looking at this market here, this also could be a shoulder, head, and then also a shoulder price as well too. Right, shoulder, head, shoulder. So, which I believe it could be. Now, with that being said, we're getting ready for a big breakout. Once we break out the 130 level, this is on the GLD, the ETF, then obviously that's going to follow along with the actual gold price, and therefore a big move to the high side is likely to happen. Same for silver as well too. If you actually have a look at silver's price action, and forget about the moving average for now, and what's actually going on through there. In fact, let me just remove that off the screen because we don't need to worry about that at this time. One thing I want to share with you is, once again, is the long and short of it. What does it mean? Is that if you've been watching my videos for the last few weeks, I've been talking about the whole premises around price and time. All right. Now, not only that, but notice how we make a lower high, sellers in control, lower high, lower high, lower high, sellers in control. Notice how we've made this higher high over here, buyers in control. Not only that. Now, again, what are we doing here right now? We're going to the monthly silver chart, with the SLV, basically the monthly silver chart. And what are we doing here? We're analyzing what's happening right now. Notice how this market here, this is what we call candlestick charts, right? In other words, the last 12 months or more of candlestick charts. You can see the market just going sideways through here. This is what we call time. Time is when the market is just going sideways. Now we've done so much time here that price needs to catch up. So that little breakout that we saw on the daily chart, that's nothing compared to what's likely to happen due to the fact that remember, this is a monthly chart. It may take another few months for it to actually start to break out. But when it starts to break out, price needs to catch up. We've spent over 12 months now. Over 12 months. What's that? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah. probably 16, 17, maybe even 18 months going sideways. So much time here that when price does catch up, we're likely to see a big move to the high side. So that's what I see there. That's what I call about the long and short of it on that. And you can use the exact same analysis on the actual market itself. So let me know what you guys think is going to happen to silver and gold, and also let me know what you guys are doing. If you're actually in the market, let me know what you're actually doing yourself. For me personally, I have some long-term call options on the gold price as well too, and I'm looking to do the exact same thing on some of the the GDX and stuff like that as well too. So let me know what you think about what I've said in this video today.